Hey everyone, Eli here with the Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these three beautiful and functional trash cans from Cesun. Cesun is a company that specializes in trash cans, but they also sell products such as garden hoses and watering cans. I've got three trash cans to look at here today. We've got this one for the kitchen, it is larger. We've also got one for the bathroom, and we've got one for the bedroom. But you can use these, of course, in any spaces that you may have in your household. Basically, these are beautiful functional trash cans that will change the way that you look at trash cans. So you may have some trash cans in your house, you don't really think about them a lot, but these from Cesun are going to change the way you look at them thanks to their functionality, thanks to their beauty. They really fit into any type of spaces that you may have. So first we're going to take a look here at the Green Grin. This is a larger trash can, of course, that has two 8-gallon baskets inside that are separate. It uses a foot pedal to go ahead and open up the lid. So you go ahead and just basically place your foot on there. It opens up nice and lightly, and it closes with a smooth, gentle close. That's not going to make any noise. It has this compartment here on top. You can go ahead and drop in recyclables or other trash if you like. It's great for like plastic bottles, aluminum cans, glass bottles. You don't have to use the foot pedal. You just go ahead and place them in there. Taking a look at the baskets here, it has these nice handles. You can go ahead and pull them out to bring your trash outside to the main trash can. You don't have to lift the entire thing, of course. And look at this. You got a green one, you got a black one, so you can go ahead and sort out your garbage. The nice thing is that lid does not bang up against the wall. It opens nice and gently, so it does not make any noise. It does not scratch your wall. It does not make any marks on your wall. It has that very nice opening. And then again, it closes super slowly, does not make any noise. And look right here, you can also grab the trash can from the edges to go ahead and pick it up if you need to. So it's got a nice way to go ahead and carry that thing around. Look at this trash can, it's just absolutely beautiful. There it is again, opening. Super gentle close. No odors are going to come out of this trash can because it has that lid that seals it very nicely. It's important that your space is well organized and there's no odors. And the thing I really like about this are these large compartments that will basically hold a bunch of trash. You can hold trash for like a week, 2 weeks maybe even, before you have to go ahead and empty it. This thing will look great anywhere in your house, but I recommend it like in a kitchen. Thanks to that stainless steel design there, you can go ahead and put it, let's say like next to a counter. You can go ahead and put it in a corner, and it will not impede on your decoration. Here we have the smaller 4-gallon trash can. This one is great because it has a motion sensor, and it looks very beautiful as well. All plastic body. Go ahead and just wave your hand over the motion sensor, and it will go ahead and open up very gently, of course, again, not hitting that back wall at all. It stays open for 5 seconds, and then it closes again. And it's super responsive. It works literally every time that you wave your hand over that motion sensor. It's got that little green light right there that flashes to let you know that it is open and it will be closing soon. You can also go ahead and wave your hand over it again, and that will keep the lid open. So if you need to go ahead and maybe like change out a garbage bag or just like look for some trash, you can go ahead and do that as well. It's also got a touch button off to the side here. You can go ahead and simply touch it to open and close manually if you don't want to use the motion sensor. It's also got a power button over here. You can go ahead and completely turn off the motion capabilities to save battery. This thing does use 4 AA batteries, so it is very handy. And looking inside here, it has plenty of space, especially for like a restroom. I'd say it's like the perfect amount of space. It's also got this little piece right here that will hold your garbage bag in place. So if you're in a bathroom, you know you have lots of yucky garbage such as Kleenex, toilet paper, toiletries, things like that. You don't want these nasties getting in contact with the trash can, making it all disgusting. So you basically put your garbage bag over that piece right there. It holds your garbage bag in place. Great for a restroom. You can really use this in a bedroom. You can really use it in an office, pretty much anywhere. And again, it's got this very nice plastic body that's very easy to clean if you need to. Taking a look here, we've got this 1.3-gallon trash can. We're moving back here to the foot pedal to go ahead and open it up just like that kitchen one. And again, it does not hit the back wall at all, does not do any damage on that. It opens very gently, and then once you release your foot from the pedal, it goes ahead and closes very gently. And it also has a great seal, just like the other trash cans, so there will be no odors that will come out of this trash can at all, since it completely closes. It's got that lid. So these are pet proof. They are kid friendly, since they have that pedal, and your dogs will not be getting into the trash at all. This one also has a holder for trash bags. Very important to have trash bags on these smaller cans that most likely have some nasty garbage. And you can go ahead and again remove that basket if you need to go ahead and empty it out. You don't need to bring the whole trash can over to your main trash can. So this thing is just great. It's again got that plastic body, just like the little bit larger 4-gallon trash can. These trash cans overall are very beautiful, very functional. You can use this really in any area of your house. Just the locations I recommended are really where I recommend you bring these. For example, you're in the bathroom, motion sensor is great for that. You don't need to go ahead and get your feet if they're maybe wet out of the shower on any pedals or anything like that. So overall, I highly recommend these trash cans from Cesun. Thank you for watching.